All right, good morning. 8:30 now. The downside does continue. We hit our S2 here at 1178. As you can see, we're trading there, right there at 1178. Now, the S3 below us is another 16 points or so, about 1160. And I said 5% pullback gets us to 1162. This is the optimum buy spot. We'll see where we are. There's no reason to be buying this market right now. You've got advancers lagging decliners now by 15 to 1. That's right, 15 to 1. 2,800 to 2,700 to about 180 right now. That's 2,700 stocks negative versus 180 only positive. So keep this in mind. We are going lower right now. Again, we're coming into that lunchtime bounce, this 8:30 time. We usually see a bounce. The high overnight was about 1195. We traded down almost 20 points. 1175.50 was our low here, and we are starting to bounce. As I told our members, we're going to bounce here this afternoon. The next couple, let's say 2 hours, but I suspect we will not get over this 1185. So you want to sell into this 1185 area all morning long, unless that AD changes big time. I would continue to put on the sell. Now, the reason I say this so strongly and so firmly today is you've got everything lining up negative. You've got oil here at 82.80. You've got down at the low of the day. Everything's going to bounce here at the same time. You've got the Nasdaq 2095. Nasdaq's down as much as again, you're looking at the Nasdaq here 2095. That is probably down about 35 points. You've got the euro here also. Let me bring in gold and the euro. Gold hitting a new low, 1337 as we speak. So I'm giving you real-time markets here. Nothing is, there's not a bid anywhere in sight right now, whether it's the European, Ireland, Portugal. Again, these same stories were out there 2 years ago. Nothing. The interesting thing was in fall of 08, over 2 years ago, we had these same exact problems. QE1, now QE2, POMO, call it whatever you want to call it. Fed intermingling is not changing the way this market's been behaving. So none of these problems that were there 2 years ago have been fixed. The Band-Aid is now soaked through with blood, and we're right back to where we were. The euro also, just want to bring that in real quick, is at new lows again of this move. We said it would trade back to 135, and the euro is all the way back to 135.20 after hitting that 142.70. So again, about 800 pips down on the euro. If you've listened to us, folks, you've had a nice ride down. We said we'd see this 135. We're hitting it all the way back down. So that's where we are. Take it easy. It is lunchtime. Don't get too overzealous here. You can sell all rallies. Again, everything's starting to bounce. You see the Nasdaq leading us, already getting 8-9 points off the bottom. But this is nothing but a boingo move. It's not going to be long term, unless the AD and everything, the internals in this market change. But if you see this rally again, if you see this move continue up to this 1185 area, you definitely want to be a seller. Again, 1176 to 1185, scale in the bigger piece near the top there, 1185, and really for that matter, unless we get over 1190 today, there's no reason for you to be a buyer. So here we are, 1178.50, sell rallies the rest of the day. We'll see you on the other side after lunch lady land is done in 2.5 hours, 11 a.m. on the Pacific Coast, 8:30 here on the West Coast now. Peace.